everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. My name is Jason and I typically do unboxings on this channel. I do a few other things, some vlogs, some cooking videos, things like that, but mostly unboxings. And today's video will be exactly just that. It will be an unboxing. And I'm kind of excited because it's a new box to me. It is not a new box to a lot of you because most of you have come over. Sorry about the noise. For those of you that are new to me, I live in the Bronx and I'm on street level, so the cars that go by, I can't control that. Anyway, most of you that are subscribed to my channel have come over from Just Ann, and Just Ann already unboxes this subscription on her channel. So, but it's new to me. This is going to be for the SlayGlam box. So this is actually November's box, even though I am filming on December 1st. I just got the box, I want to say like a day or two ago. So little backstory, I actually subscribed to the box in October, but I subscribed so late in the month that I missed the October box. She couldn't mail out the October box because it was too late. But we did communicate via Instagram, and she told me basically that I would not get charged for the November box and she would send me the November box. And that's exactly what happened. So I didn't get charged in November, even because I paid in October, and this is the November box. So I think now that it's December, I'm going to be on track again. So, and I'm very excited for December's box because for those of you that do watch Just Ann, you know that she's got a palette that's going to be in the December box, which was one of the reasons I subscribed to this box. The other reason is I really did like what was coming in this box. All the unboxings that Ann had done, it just seemed like a box that only costs $24 a month. You seem to really get your money's worth. So, and on the website, I will link it below, but on the website, it says that you should expect 3 times what you pay in the box. So if it's $24, you should expect at least $72. If I'm doing my math correct, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But anyway, that's good because normally, at least for me, when I subscribe to a box, I would like it to at least be double its value. If you're getting just your money's worth, for me, that's not really worth it because you can just buy the items individually and you can customize them more to what you need. So like you're able to pick shades and things like that. So if I'm getting a subscription, I would like it to at least be worth double what I pay for the subscription box. So if this is truly what you're getting, triple the times what you pay, then it should be very, very much worth it. If I'm slurring or talking strange, it's because I have a new lip plumper on my lips, and it is a little tingly. It's not unbearable, but I did unbox it in one of my previous videos, so I haven't been wearing it regularly, but I have it on today. So anyway, let me stop chit-chatting and just get into the box. So, it came a little beat up, if you can see, but I'm sure everything inside is just fine. So, let's go ahead and just open it up. All I've done is just tear open the tape. So, let me pull out. So, we get one thing in here, and other thing is wrapped here, and empty box. So let me go ahead and tear this open. Excuse the ASMR. There we go. All right. Let me go ahead, before I start getting into that, let's go ahead and look at what this is. Now, I do have to say I agree with what Ann says about the box, that it would be nice to get a little sheet of paper that tells you what the retail value is of the items. I do have my other phone with me. I'm filming on my old phone, but I have my new phone with me, and I may see if I can look up the price. If I can't look it up here while I'm filming, when I'm editing the video, I will try to put it in the video. But the first thing is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's Eye Look Essentials Purple Storm. So this is what we have. So it looks like you get a quad. I'm thinking that's an eye base. I don't know what that is. Oh, eye candy. So it looks like it may be a topper and then maybe a liner. So, you know what? This is probably not something I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to open this because I'm going to either gift it to a friend or put it in a future giveaway. So, but anyway, you get this. This seems like a pretty good deal. I would assume that this is probably at least $24 on its own because Bella Pierre tends to be a little bit pricey. So you might already have your money's worth with just this one item. So let's go ahead and see here. Start pulling out other things. So we've got this Lip Perfection pencil. And it's a pretty color. I think I will hold on to this. I'm not going to swatch it necessarily. But I don't usually use lip liners because I usually just tend to do like a gloss like this. The only time I'll ever use like a lip liner is if I'm doing some kind of like glam look on video for you guys. Or not even glam because I haven't achieved glam yet. So a full face of makeup look on video. But, and I have to go to work after this, so I don't want to put this on. But anyway, it does look like a good color. I will put this in my makeup kit for future videos. But again, I don't know the price because there's nothing in the box. But during editing, if I can find the prices, I will put them in the video. All right, next thing, we have two items here, and they are both from Girl Power. Liquid lipsticks, metallic liquid lipsticks. Actually, they're from the Beauty Crop. It's hashtag Girl Power from the Beauty Crop. And one is, let's see, what are the shades? We've got one in Royale and one in Bellini. So, let's see what these look like. So this one is, what is this one? This is Bellini. It looks like a pretty shade. I'm going to open it, but I'm not going to swatch it. But that's what it looks like. It looks like a very nude color, so that's good. And then we have the, what is this? This was Royale. And Royale's a little bit more red. So it is another pretty color. This probably isn't a color I would necessarily wear on a regular basis, but maybe for a video. So I don't know anything. Well, I have had items from Beauty Crop, but I think it's been mostly eyeshadow palettes. So I don't think I've ever tried any of their lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. But anyway, it's good to have. Let's see, we've only got two more items, and both of them happen to be palettes. So let's go ahead and look at the first palette. This is a Sweet Color. This is from Oaklyn. So I have had eyeshadow palettes from Oaklyn before. And it is a pretty palette. This is what it looks like. I am not going to swatch this only because I counted my eyeshadow palettes the other day that I actually have that I'm keeping. And I have, which doesn't sound like a lot to probably many of you, but I have over 30. For somebody that doesn't wear makeup on a regular basis, I do it very, seldom. Over 30 eyeshadow palettes is quite a lot. So unless I'm really in love with the eyeshadow, the color story or the palette, I'm going to probably just put them in future giveaways or gift them because I don't need to keep adding to my collection, like I said, unless it's a really special palette. So, and that's not to say there's anything wrong with this palette. It's just not something that I don't already have color-wise. So, we have that. I have used Oaklin before, and I think that I have liked their palettes in the past. So, the other one is from Rasha B Cosmetics, and I do believe that this is the brand that Just Anne is going to be collabing with. So, and I've never actually even heard of Rasha B Cosmetics. So I'm excited to get this, and I'm excited to get her palette in next month's box. But this is Beautiful 2 Duochrome Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, I am excited for this because I don't think I have any duochrome palettes. So this I am excited about. It is, here's the, see, I don't know if you're able to see it with that ring light, but then here is the back, and let's see what the actual palette looks like. All right, so we have the little paper, and there's no mirror, but that's fine. Here are the colors. And I am going to swatch it on my hand just because I'm curious. It's hard to tell the duochrome in the pan, so maybe a swatch will be a little bit better. I'm not going to do all of them, just a couple, because the video is already 12 minutes. I don't want it to be too much longer. So let's just do a couple of these. This color right here is really speaking to me. So let's do this one here. Very silky. Let's do, are they all going to be duochromes? I don't know. Let's do this one here. And then let's do this purple. I want to see if this purple is a duochrome. So we'll do these three and see what they look like swatched. So oh, that purple is really nice. So that's just going in once, but let me go ahead and swatch them again and see if I can deepen any of them up. So we've got that one, we've got this one, and that purple, even though that one came through really nicely. All right, so this is the second time through. And I'm trying to see if on camera you can see the shifts. It's not quite, in person you can see them. On camera, I don't know how well you can see them. The purple looks like it's pretty much just a purple. It's like a purple pink. The center one turns into like a brown, green, yellow, and then the bottom one also shifts. So you can tell in person for sure. I just don't know about on camera. But anyway, I'm happy to have that. That's going to be my first duochrome palette. And it kind of gives me an idea of what the formula might be like for Just Anne's palette. So I'm excited about that. And they seem to do well. I mean, this is going in twice. The first was a little bit light with the first two down here, but that's okay. They're buildable, and I'd rather have them buildable than too pigmented. So, but all right, happy about that. Again, don't know price. If I can find the price, I will put it in the video when I'm editing. I'm not quite sure when this video will go up. Like I said, it is December 1st when I am filming. I had some technical glitches when I was trying to pick my winner for my Lunar Beauty Advent Calendar giveaway video, which has ended. I was able to finally get a winner. I have announced that on the video, so congratulations to that winner. But yeah, I've been having some issues, so I'm going to try and get this video edited and posted as soon as possible, but it might be closer to the weekend when I get it up on the channel. Again, this was for November's SlayGlam box. So I will have another SlayGlam box posted this month. It will be for December. So anyway, All right, I'm going to stop blabbering because I need to go ahead and get ready for work. um, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscription button. I'm, in this mid 700s, 750-ish, goes up and down a little bit. But I have another giveaway video for when I hit, I think it's 800 subscribers. So I'm so close to that one. But until I hit 800 subscribers, that giveaway is still gonna go. So I will link that either in the description below or in the card at the end, so that you can check that out as well. If you would share my channel with friends and family, that would be awesome. I would really appreciate that. Like I said, I am trying to build up my subscribers. Other than that, that will do it for this video. I appreciate everybody tuning in, and I hope everybody out there is staying happy, healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.